everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here. I'm with a massive haul, so I do apologise now about the time that this is probably going to take. I have never had two huge boxes like this from Tnbl whatsoever, and I'm super excited, and I thought I'd do the unboxing of it on camera. So we'll just get into the first one. I've just got some seal here. As you can see, it is well and truly packaged well. So the first thing I've got is I bought the Kiara Sky dipping kit. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm sure this should be the new dipping tray. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but this is a great little starter kit for me to have a go at least. And then just look at all these gorgeous boxes in here. So in the first one, there's only 2 polishes, and we've got Evil Queen and Fairy Dust. Now, I'm not going to show you the colours of these because it will take me out a few days at least, but I'm going to do swatches of all these new Kiara Sky colours I've got. So there's another 6 in there: Oxo, Aurora, Black Swan, Abracadabra, Black Rose and Bubble. And then we have another one, which is Dark Illusion, Cherry Skies, Crystal Ball, Enchanted Forest, sorry, totally off camera, Fairy Godmother and Dream Catcher. Super excited to try all these out. Gosh, it is a huge one, this one. Oh, these got silver tops. I can't quite read what that one is. Oh, you are a mesmerizing, I think that says, and Hey Gorgeous, Hot Mess and Lash Out, and Kiss and Makeup and That Glow, and I think there was part of the Glow Ombres. More silver topped ones. So we've got Salty But Sweet, Sure Enough, Upscale Pink, I think it says. The glitter really is making it difficult to see some of them. Siesta, Soulmate and What the Shell. This is so cold, these bottles. Back to white ones. So we've got Bear With Me, Allure. Oh, got some normal polish here. The rest of all the others have been clear, gel, sorry. Back to Fuchsia, and then we have got the matching ones of these because we got them matching. So we've got Bear With Me, Back to Fuchsia, right, I get it, and Allure. So there you are, that's the match. So you've got a gel and you've got a polish to match. And that's what these are, because I've got all the perfect match ones, so I'll take it out like that. So there we are. Yeah, we've got Caution in both makes, and then we've got CEO, and then we have Chatterbox, and we got Socialite, Beach Please and a non-white top coat, Fantasy Green and Bubbly, Marine Outer Space, then we've got Fantastic and Keep Calm, Manti and Let's Celebrate, Once Upon a Time and Mother of Pearl. Cannot wait to swatch these. These just look amazing just in the bottle alone. Then we've got some more perfect matches, which is Creme de Nude, Delilac, and Tnbl. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway, it's how I say it. And then we have Don't Think About It, Dress to Impress, and Copper Out. And more perfect matches. We've got Confetti, really like that, just stunning. Cocoa Coral and Chocolate Glaze. Oh, just look at that. I'm super excited. I've had to wait all day because my little boy come home at polo, so I've had to wait for his dad to come home so we can take over looking after him. So then we've got Chinchilla, Black to Black, and Calente. I think that's how you say that. So that's that box done. So I'll just pop these back in. So then we've got the Kiara Sky colour code, and then the Mood Effects paperwork showing you all the different ones, and a freebie collagen lip mask, I'm guessing that is. Now this baby here, oh, this is what started it all off. Just take that off. This is what I wanted, but if you spent X amount, you actually got this free, which this was £200 anyway. So I'm excited. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to do a separate unboxing for this. So keep your eyes peeled because it will go up shortly after this one, or even if you're lucky, before this one. So that's that. Haha. And there's my little recycling system box for my dipping system. And then we're back to more polishes. Coolly. So we've got Guilty Pleasure. This one's coming undone. Frosted Pomegranate. I think that, excuse me, got hiccups. Frenchy Pink. It's going to take me forever to pop all these. I think I'll do the gel ones first. And then we've got Graffiti. Reminds me very much of Toasted Marshmallow in the Glam and Glitz matte collection. Green with Envy. And Heartfelt. Definitely got a really good colour collection. And we've got I Pink You Anytime, High Maintenance, I can see that one being very popular, Gold Digger, that's stunning. I want to do my nails. Did I do this box? I can't remember. Forbidden, Egyptian Goddess, and Echo. Oh, that's like a really dark more purple, really like that. And we got Vegas Volt, stunning black glitter. Time for a selfie and the real teal. We've got Take Me to Paradise, Tahitian Princess and Skin Tone. Your Majesty, You Make Me Blush, Victorian Iris, Smoky Smog, Son of a Peach, Sterling, Ragdoll, should have put my glasses on I think, Rage the Night Away, Pinking of Sparkle, Plum It Up, Polka Dots, Pure White, Coral Kicks, Iceberg, I'm Not Ready Yet, and that's so my daughter, not the actual colour, she's more greens, but that's what she's always saying. My Fair Lady, New York City, Only Natural, Serenade, Secret Love Affair, Romantic Coral, Stiletto, so a stiletto, some of these lids are quite loose, Sky's the Limit, Serene Sky, Pink Lipstick, Let's Get Ridiculous, Melt Away. Let's do the very last box. Pink Up the Pace, Pink Slippers, and the last one is Pink Powder Puff. So that's my huge haul from Tnbl. If you like this haul and you've seen something you'd like to purchase, please find the link below. And also, if you use the code DIZZY, all in capitals, which I'll also put down below, you'll get a 5% off your order. As I'm now a brand ambassador, so give me that code. Just like to say, I've actually purchased these myself. Tnbl have not given them to me. And if you would like to see them all swatched, please let us know. Like I say, it will take me a few days, but I will get there. and I'd like to say thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you soon. Bye.